Hey, Kyle with Robbins Estate Law here. I want to talk about a scenario that I see all the time. It's a blended family. So, the Brady Bunch, we have one spouse with children from a prior marriage or prior relationship. And in the blended family, the kids or the stepkids accidentally wind up getting disinherited, especially when we don't use a trust-based estate plan. The reason for that is in Texas, if you're a blended family, by default, whenever you pass away, the assets go to your children. So we use estate plans like wills or trusts to change that if we want to leave something to the surviving spouse. So a lot of times what I see is people will fill out a will and say, well, when I pass away, everything goes to the surviving spouse. I want it all to go to them instead. That's fine and dandy, but in a blended family, a lot of times their intention is when the surviving spouse passes away, they want everything to go to their children equally on both sides of the fence. So in the Brady Bunch scenario, all six kids are going to take equally. That's usually what my clients want when the survivor passes. But a lot of times they don't have a trust-based estate plan to accomplish that. So usually when the survivor passes, it says, send everything to my kids. So only three of the kids in the Brady Bunch actually wind up with the assets. I see this constantly. The solution for this is usually what we call a QTIP trust, QTIP. With a QTIP trust, what we do in Texas is we can actually leave the assets, half of everything that a family owns, to the surviving spouse, but then we can lock in all of the children equally as the remaining beneficiaries. So when that spouse passes away, there's no question as far as who gets what, and it doesn't automatically just go to one half of the family. The QTIP trust allows us to make sure that everything goes to all of the children equally, assuming that's the goal. I just see it all the time where it's really unfair situations where we have blended families, maybe one or two children on each side, and the surviving spouse passes, and then lo and behold, their single child takes the entire inheritance, and the other half is just left out in the cold. So if you have any questions about this, or you're a blended family and you want help with this type of planning, just give us a call at Robbins Estate Law. We're more than happy to offer a free consultation.